Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Riot Vanguard not uninstalling. To begin, locate the Riot Vanguard icon in your system tray, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on it and select Exit Vanguard to close the program. Next, try uninstalling Riot Vanguard through your Windows Add or Remove Program settings. If this standard method doesn't work, don't worry. We have a simple manual process to ensure its complete removal. Now, let's use the command prompt to remove the core Vanguard services. Search for CMD in your Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type scdelete VGC and press Enter. Follow this by typing scdelete VGK and pressing Enter again. These commands disable the Vanguard services. It is crucial to restart your computer right after this step for the changes to take full effect. After restarting, we need to manually delete any leftover files. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive, then navigate to the Program Files folder. Here, you should find and delete the Riot Vanguard folder. Additionally, check your app data folders by typing %appdata%, %localappdata%, and %programdata% into the Run dialog. Look for and delete any Riot Games or Riot Vanguard folders you find in these locations to ensure a thorough cleanup. For a truly complete removal, empty your recycle bin to permanently delete all the files we've moved. You might also consider using a reputable registry cleaner to remove any lingering registry entries, though this is optional. If you plan to play games requiring Riot Vanguard again, simply launch a Riot Games title, and it will prompt you to reinstall Vanguard. A fresh installation often resolves many common issues and ensures proper functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.